We'll guide you through how to run Python files in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Pausa is now going to go and continue with the guide.
And now here, as you can see, I have this Python file that I want to run. So before we begin, make sure Python is installed on your computer because VS Code itself does not run Python directly. Python is the language that executes the code and VS Code is just the editor. Now just go ahead and open any browser to your liking. Now in the search bar, just go ahead and search for python.org and hit enter. Now you will land inside this website. Now just hover over downloads and you will see the Python download version. Just go ahead and click on that. And now your setup.exe file will be successfully downloaded. So just go ahead and click on it to run the setup wizard. Now here, just go ahead and toggle on use admin privileges and add admin exe to path. This is very important. Make sure you check add Python to path before installing and then choose custom installation. And here you can customize your installation location and click on install. Click on yes if prompted and then just wait for the Python to finish installing. And after that, you can just go ahead and click on close. Now let's verify if Python is installed correctly. Just go to your Windows search bar and just go ahead and search for cmd and hit enter to open the command prompt. Now in the command prompt, just go ahead and type the following command. Just go ahead and type python space double hyphen and version and hit enter. Now if you see a Python version, it means that the Python is installed correctly. Now just go ahead and open your VS Code. Go to your Windows search bar and search for VS Code and launch VS Code. If you don't have VS Code installed, you can just go to any browser to your liking and search for VS Code and then go to the official website and click on download and then just follow the setup prompt. It is simple. And after installing, just go ahead and open VS Code. Now once the VS Code opens, at the left hand side you will see a extension tab. Just go ahead and click on that. And now in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Python and hit enter. Now just click on the Python extension and choose to install the Python extensions which is from Microsoft. Now just wait for the installation to complete. And once it is finished installing, just go ahead and search for Code Runner and hit enter. And now just go ahead and install the Code Runner also. Click on Trust Publisher. Basically, Code Runner extension allows us to quickly run script. Now we have to open our Python file in VS Code. To do that, just go to the top left and click on File. And here, just go ahead and choose to open File. And now here, navigate to the folder where you have your Python file, which in my case is going to be in this particular folder, and here it is. So I'll just click on it and click on Open. And now here, just go ahead and click on Open. And now you will see this is the particular Python file that I want to run. Now to run the code, you can just go ahead and click on this particular run code icon at the top right. And now you will see the output has been successfully printed in the output tab. Now let's run another Python file. So go to the top left and click on File and choose to open a folder and open any folder to your liking. And once that the folder is opened, just click on the new file and then name your file. I'm going to name it something simple like demo and make sure the extension is .py and hit enter. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and write a simple Python code. And now we have to save the file. So just go ahead and press Ctrl and S key on your keyboard or go to the top left and click on File and choose to save. And now just go ahead and click on the run code once again. And now after clicking on run code, you will see welcome to GuideRealm Python tutorial has been successfully printed. And that's it. You have successfully installed Python, set up VS Code and run your first Python file.